Good evening, my friend. I want you to picture something with me for just a moment. It is about 9 o'clock at night. The house is quiet now. Maybe the television is playing softly in the background, something familiar and comforting. You are sitting in your favorite chair, the one that has molded perfectly to your body over the years. There is a warm cup of something on the table beside you, perhaps tea, perhaps just warm water with a little lemon. And in this quiet moment, when the day is winding down, a thought crosses your mind. It is a thought you do not share with anyone, not even your spouse, not your children, not your doctor. It is a small whisper of worry that visits you in these still evening hours. You wonder about your heart. You wonder about those arteries, those invisible highways running through your body, carrying life to every corner of who you are. You wonder if they are still clear, still open, still doing their job the way they did when you were 40 or 30 or 20. Maybe you felt a little more tired than usual today. Maybe climbing the stairs took just a bit more effort. Maybe your feet felt cold when you got into bed last night, or your fingers seemed slower to warm up on a chilly morning. These are the quiet concerns of someone who has lived a full life and wants to keep living it well. I want you to know something right now, before we go any further together. You are not alone in these thoughts. Millions of Americans over 60 share these same quiet worries. And more importantly, I want you to know that there is hope. There is real, practical, gentle hope. My name is not important. What is important is that I have spent over 3 decades as a physician working with people just like you, people who want honest answers without the scare tactics, people who want to understand their bodies without being talked down to, people who have earned the right to make informed decisions about their own health. Tonight, I am going to share something with you that I genuinely believe can make a meaningful difference in how you feel when you wake up each morning. It is simple, it is natural, and it works with your body, not against it. Before we go further, I would love to know who is watching tonight. Would you take just a moment to drop a comment below and tell me your age and where you are joining us from? Are you watching from Florida, from Ohio, from Texas, from California? Are you 62, 75, 81? I read every single comment, and it helps me understand who I am speaking to and what matters most to you. Now, let us begin this conversation together. Let me start by explaining something that I think every person over 60 deserves to understand clearly. Your arteries are not just tubes. They are living, dynamic, incredibly important structures that determine so much about how you feel every single day. Think of your arteries as a vast network of rivers running through your body. These rivers carry oxygen-rich blood from your heart to every organ, every muscle, every tissue. They deliver the nutrients your cells need to function. They carry away waste products. They regulate temperature. They respond to your emotions, your activity level, your needs moment by moment. When you were younger, these arterial rivers flowed freely and easily. The walls were flexible and smooth. Blood moved through them without resistance, reaching every destination quickly and efficiently. But here is what happens naturally as we age. And I want to emphasize the word naturally because this is not a disease. It is simply part of living a long life. Over time, the walls of our arteries can become a little stiffer. Small deposits can accumulate along the inner surfaces. The smooth lining may not be quite as smooth as it once was. This is normal. This happens to virtually everyone who lives past 60. It does not mean you are sick. It does not mean something is wrong with you. It simply means your body has been working hard for 6, 7, 8 decades, and like anything that works hard for that long, it shows some signs of that faithful service. But here is why this matters for how you feel day to day. When blood flows a little less freely, you might notice that you have less energy than you used to. Not dramatically less, but just enough that you wonder why you feel ready for bed at 8 o'clock instead of 10. You might notice that your balance is not quite what it was, because the small vessels feeding your inner ear and your brain are working just a bit harder to deliver what those delicate structures need. You might find that sleep does not restore you the way it should. You wake up still feeling tired, still feeling like you could use another few hours. This happens because during sleep, your body is supposed to be repairing and restoring itself, and that process depends entirely on good circulation reaching every part of you. Your independence, my friend, is connected to your circulation. Your ability to walk confidently, to drive safely, to enjoy your grandchildren, to tend your garden, to travel, to do the things that make life worth living, all of this depends on blood flowing freely to your brain, your muscles, your heart, your eyes, your ears. This is not meant to frighten you. This is meant to empower you with understanding. Because when you understand what is happening in your body, you can make choices that support it. Now, let me tell you about something that has genuinely impressed me in my years of studying natural approaches to supporting heart and artery health. There are certain foods, certain plants, that have been consumed by healthy populations around the world for hundreds, even thousands of years. And when modern science finally got around to studying these traditional foods, researchers discovered something remarkable. Many of the healthiest, longest-lived populations on Earth regularly consume foods that are deep purple, deep red, deep blue in color. These vibrant colors come from natural compounds called anthocyanins, and these compounds have some fascinating effects on the human body. What I am calling the purple powder is simply a concentrated form of these traditional foods. It might include dried and powdered berries like elderberry, bilberry, or tart cherry. It might include beetroot, which is technically more red than purple but belongs to the same family of beneficial compounds. It might include purple grape extracts, the same compounds that made scientists wonder why French people who drank red wine had such healthy hearts. This is not some exotic, unpronounceable chemical created in a laboratory. This is food, concentrated, convenient, but fundamentally just food that humans have been eating for a very long time. Now, why would you take this before bed? This is an important question, and I want to explain the reasoning clearly. During the night, while you are sleeping, your body enters a state of repair and restoration. Your heart rate slows, your blood pressure naturally dips. Your body focuses its energy on healing, on cellular repair, on clearing away the metabolic debris of the day. This nighttime repair window is a perfect time to give your body gentle, supportive nutrients that can work with this natural process. The compounds in these purple foods support the relaxation of blood vessel walls. They help maintain the flexibility of arterial tissue. They provide antioxidant protection to the delicate lining of your vessels. When you take this purple powder before bed, you are essentially giving your body helpful tools right before it begins its nightly maintenance work. You are not forcing anything. You are not overriding your body's natural processes. You are simply supporting what your body is already trying to do. I want to be very clear about something. This is not a miracle cure. This will not dissolve years of buildup overnight. Anyone who tells you that is not being honest with you. What this can do, over time, with consistent use, is support your body's natural ability to maintain healthy circulation. Let me explain in more detail how these compounds work in your body, because I think understanding this will help you appreciate why patience and consistency matter so much. The inner lining of your arteries is called the endothelium. This is an incredibly thin, delicate layer of cells that controls so much about how your blood vessels function. A healthy endothelium can relax and expand when your body needs more blood flow. It can produce substances that keep blood flowing smoothly. It can resist the accumulation of deposits that might otherwise stick to the vessel walls. The compounds in purple foods, particularly the anthocyanins, support endothelial health in several important ways. First, they help reduce oxidative stress. Now, let me explain what that means in plain language. Every day, simply by being alive and burning energy, your body produces molecules called free radicals. These are unstable molecules that can damage cells if they accumulate. Your body has natural defenses against this damage, but as we age, the balance can tip in the wrong direction. Antioxidants, like those found in purple foods, help neutralize these damaging molecules and protect your delicate arterial lining. Second, these compounds support healthy inflammation levels. Inflammation is a normal, necessary part of healing. When you cut your finger, inflammation is part of how your body repairs the wound. But chronic, low-level inflammation throughout the body can contribute to arterial stiffness over time. The compounds in purple foods have been shown in studies to support healthy inflammation responses. Third, and this is particularly interesting, these compounds support the production of nitric oxide in your blood vessels. Nitric oxide is a natural molecule that tells your blood vessels to relax and expand. When you have good nitric oxide production, blood flows more easily. When nitric oxide production declines, which happens naturally with age, vessels may stay more constricted. What does this mean for you in practical terms? Let me paint a picture. Imagine waking up in the morning and feeling like your body actually rested during the night. Your feet feel warm when you put them on the floor. Your fingers are not stiff and cold. You stand up and feel steady, balanced, ready to face the day. Imagine walking up the stairs and noticing that you reach the top without that heaviness in your legs, without needing to pause and catch your breath. Imagine taking your morning walk and feeling like your body is moving the way it should, with ease and confidence. These are the kinds of differences that people notice over time when they consistently support their circulation. Not overnight miracles, but gradual, meaningful improvements in how they feel and function. Let me now share some practical guidance on how to use this purple powder safely and effectively. The typical serving is 1 scoop, usually about 1 teaspoon, mixed into a small glass of water. Some people prefer to mix it with a little warm water, which can help it dissolve more completely. Others add it to a small amount of juice. The method is less important than the consistency. I recommend taking it about 30 to 60 minutes before you plan to go to sleep. This gives the compounds time to begin absorbing before your body enters its deepest repair phases. You do not need to take it on an empty stomach, but you also do not need a full meal. Just take it when it fits naturally into your evening routine. Now, I must address something important. If you are currently taking blood-thinning medications, blood pressure medications, or any prescription medications for your heart, please speak with your personal physician before adding this or any supplement to your routine. This is not because these foods are dangerous, they are simply foods. But some compounds can interact with medications, and your doctor needs to know everything you are taking. If you are generally healthy and not on prescription medications, these food-based powders are generally very well tolerated. Some people notice that their digestion improves. Some people notice that they sleep more deeply. These are usually welcome effects. The most important thing I can tell you about using this purple powder is this: be patient and be consistent. This is not a medication that forces an immediate change in your body. This is nutritional support that works gradually, gently, over weeks and months. I often tell my patients to give it at least 60 to 90 days of consistent daily use before evaluating whether it is making a difference for them. The body takes time to respond to gentle interventions. The changes happen gradually, sometimes so gradually that you do not notice them until you suddenly realize that you feel better than you did a few months ago. Let me address some common misunderstandings that I hear from patients and viewers. Some people believe that one product, one supplement, one powder can completely replace medical care. This is not true. If you have been diagnosed with cardiovascular disease, if you have had a heart attack or stroke, if your doctor has prescribed medications for you, please continue working with your healthcare team. This purple powder is a supportive tool, not a replacement for medical treatment. Other people believe that if they take something like this, they can ignore everything else about their lifestyle. They think they can eat whatever they want, never exercise, never manage their stress, and this powder will somehow cancel out all of those choices. This is also not realistic. Your body works as a whole system. Everything matters. And some people expect to feel dramatic differences after just a few days. When that does not happen, they become discouraged and stop using it. This is a mistake. The changes that matter most, the changes in arterial flexibility, in endothelial function, in long-term circulation, these happen slowly. You may not feel them day by day, but over months, they accumulate into meaningful improvement. Set realistic expectations. Think of this as one gentle, consistent investment in your long-term health. Let me share a few simple habits that can amplify the benefits of this purple powder. First, gentle daily movement. I am not asking you to run marathons or lift heavy weights. I am talking about a daily walk, even just 15 or 20 minutes. Movement helps blood flow. Movement keeps vessels responsive and flexible. Movement complements the effects of nutritional support beautifully. Second, adequate hydration. Your blood is mostly water. When you are even mildly dehydrated, blood becomes thicker and flows less easily. Drink water throughout the day. Keep a glass by your bed at night. Third, prioritize sleep. The purple powder works during sleep because that is when your body repairs itself. Honor that process by keeping a consistent sleep schedule, keeping your bedroom cool and dark, and giving yourself permission to rest. These are not dramatic lifestyle overhauls. These are gentle, sustainable practices that work together with nutritional support to help your body function at its best. As we come to the end of our conversation tonight, I want to leave you with something important. You have lived a full life. You have earned every gray hair, every laugh line, every story you carry with you, and you deserve to continue living with energy, with independence, with confidence in your body. The small concerns you carry, the quiet worries about your heart and your circulation, these are not weaknesses. They are signs that you care about your future. They show that you want to be present for the people you love, that you want to remain capable and independent, that you value your life. The purple powder I have described tonight is one simple tool that can support that vision. It is not magic. It is not a miracle. It is simply concentrated nutrition from foods that have nourished healthy people for generations, taken at a time when your body can use it most effectively. I hope this information has been helpful to you. If it has, I would be grateful if you would click the like button below. It helps other people who might benefit from this information find this video. And if you would like to join me for more conversations like this one, please consider subscribing to this channel. Before you go, I would love to hear from you in the comments. Tell me how you are feeling tonight. Tell me what health topics you would like me to address in future videos. And remember to share your age and where you are watching from. Thank you for spending this time with me. Take care of yourself, my friend. You matter, your health matters, and you have more control over your future than you might realize. Good night, and be well.